Ramp Travel Index test number 2, this time with the mighty KRX4 ES. Typically a machine that gets high marks for its excellent suspension. Super flexy, super supple, absolutely love it. So part of RTI testing is making sure that your tire pressure is correct, because it can have a huge impact on how the vehicle performs. Lower tire pressure typically yields a better result, so we always run everything at factory. The KRX takes 12 psi in the front and 17 in the rear. Other things to keep in mind. Shock stiffness can have an impact, so on this rig we have gone ahead and adjusted the suspension all the way to soft. Let's do a little toggle: normal, firm, soft. Let's see over there, it changes everything. Spicy boys, squishy boys. Okay, now we're ready. Tire pressures are all set. Steady as she goes, bud. Go. Look at this. Look at this monster. How excellent is that? All right, we got the front locker on. All right, steady she goes. Alright, so we got our little carpenter square there. 73 and 3/4. Wow. Pretty good. That's up there.
That's good.
Yeah, long wheelbase definitely helps.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do some math. So the old KRX acquitted herself well. By the time we did out the math, 585.3 on the RTI, which means it is the second best performing rig we've had behind the R-Max, third if you count my CJ2A. That's impressive. That's really good. And again, you know, all of these numbers are just things to put in your back pocket when you're shopping. If you're primarily doing open desert bashing or poking around on forest roads, this stuff doesn't really matter. But if you're doing any sort of more technical rock climbing, that sort of thing, RTI score is a good indication of how confident the rig's going to feel off-road. And it's one of the reasons why we love this machine so much. Alright, so obviously many days later, but sometimes you forget to record an outro, whatever. Anyway, that is the RTI test for the new 2023 KRX4 ES. If you like what you saw, check us out on utvdriver.com. We got news, reviews, all that fun stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, we've got a pretty fun one where we test our Project X3 and disconnect the sway bar and mess with tire pressures just to see how all of that impacts an RTI score. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you around.